Welcome to our video on how to upgrade your laptop's hardware. In this video, we'll show you how to upgrade your laptop's hardware to improve its performance and extend its lifespan. Whether you're a gamer, a graphic designer, or just looking to improve your laptop's performance, this video is for you. Before we get started, it's important to note that upgrading your laptop's hardware can be a bit tricky. You'll need to have some technical knowledge and the right tools to do it. But don't worry, we'll guide you through the process step by step. Before we begin, make sure you have the right tools for the job. You'll need a screwdriver set, an anti-static wrist strap, and thermal paste. These tools will help you safely and effectively upgrade your laptop's hardware. Now, let's take a look at the different components of your laptop that you can upgrade. First up, we have the RAM. Upgrading your laptop's RAM can significantly improve its performance. RAM stands for Random Access Memory, and it's responsible for storing data that your laptop is currently using. Next, we have the hard drive. Upgrading your laptop's hard drive can increase its storage capacity and speed up its performance. The hard drive is where all your files and programs are stored. Finally, we have the battery. Upgrading your laptop's battery can extend its lifespan and give you more time to work or play on the go. Now that we've covered the different components you can upgrade, let's get started with upgrading your laptop's RAM. To upgrade your laptop's RAM, you'll need to locate the RAM compartment. This is usually located on the underside of your laptop. Once you've located the RAM compartment, use your screwdriver to remove the screws that hold the compartment cover in place. Inside the RAM compartment, you'll see one or two RAM sticks. To upgrade your laptop's RAM, you'll need to remove the old RAM sticks and replace them with new ones. Before you touch the RAM sticks, make sure you're wearing an anti-static wrist strap. This will prevent any static electricity from damaging your laptop's components. To remove the old RAM sticks, gently push the clips on either side of the stick away from the RAM slot. The RAM stick will pop up at an angle, and you can then remove it from the slot. To insert the new RAM sticks, align the notches on the stick with the notches on the RAM slot. Gently push the stick down into the slot until the clips on either side click into place. Once you've installed the new RAM sticks, it's a good idea to apply some thermal paste to the CPU. This will help dissipate heat and prevent your laptop from overheating. To apply the thermal paste, use a small amount and spread it evenly over the CPU. Be careful not to use too much, as this can cause the paste to overflow and damage your laptop's components. Finally, replace the RAM compartment cover and screw it back into place. Your laptop's RAM upgrade is now complete. To upgrade your laptop's hard drive, you'll need to locate the hard drive compartment. This is usually located on the underside of your laptop. Once you've located the hard drive compartment, use your screwdriver to remove the screws that hold the compartment cover in place. Inside the hard drive compartment, you'll see the old hard drive. To upgrade your laptop's hard drive, you'll need to remove the old hard drive and replace it with a new one. Before you remove the old hard drive, make sure you have a new hard drive that's compatible with your laptop. You can check your laptop's specifications to find out what type of hard drive you need. To remove the old hard drive, gently pull the hard drive connector away from the hard drive. Then, remove the screws that hold the hard drive in place and slide it out of the compartment. To insert the new hard drive, slide it into the compartment and secure it with the screws. Then connect the hard drive connector to the new hard drive. Once you've installed the new hard drive, it's a good idea to apply some thermal paste to the CPU. This will help dissipate heat and prevent your laptop from overheating. Finally, replace the hard drive compartment cover and screw it back into place. Your laptop's hard drive upgrade is now complete. To upgrade your laptop's battery, you will need to purchase a new battery that's compatible with your laptop. You can check your laptop specifications to find out what type of battery you need. Once you have the new battery, turn off your laptop and unplug it from the power source. Then, locate the battery compartment. This is usually located on the underside of your laptop. To remove the old battery, use your screwdriver to remove the screws that hold the battery compartment cover in place. Then, gently pull the battery connector away from the battery and slide the battery out of the compartment. To insert the new battery, slide it into the compartment and connect the battery connector to the new battery. Then, replace the battery compartment cover and screw it back into place. Once you've installed the new battery, turn on your laptop and let it charge fully. This may take a few hours, depending on the battery's capacity. Congratulations, you've successfully upgraded your laptop's battery. You can now enjoy longer battery life and more time to work or play on the go. Congratulations, you've now learned how to upgrade your laptop's hardware. By upgrading your laptop's RAM, hard drive, and battery, you can significantly improve its performance and extend its lifespan. Remember, before you begin any hardware upgrades, make sure you have the right tools for the job. You'll need a screwdriver set, an anti-static wrist strap, and thermal paste. It's also important to note that upgrading your laptop's hardware can be a bit tricky. If you're not comfortable doing it yourself, you can always take your laptop to a professional to have it upgraded. We hope you found this video helpful. By upgrading your laptop's hardware, you can get more out of your laptop and enjoy a better computing experience. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos like this one.